Wow. Terra Classic top 5 burners have actually destroyed 48.8 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. We have over 100 burners of Terra Classic, but the top 5 have really burned a lot of coins. The top 5 are burning over 80 to 90% of the total amount of Terra Classic coin that have been destroyed. Right now, Binance are the ones topping this list, and we have the top 5. These 5 have been burning billions of Terra Classic in the past few months, especially Binance that have really burned a lot of coins. We have Binance, we have a Lunatic token, we have DPLUNC protocol, and we also have MEXC and LUNCDAO. These are the top 5 Terra Classic top burner, destroying over 48.8 billion coins of Terra Classic. Now, one important thing I want you to understand about this, why this is very important, that Luna needs to destroy at least 10% of its total supply before the end of next year. Okay, and you might be asking this question, how can they do that? Because right now, for the period of 1 year and 6 months, Terra Classic has been able to destroy just 1%. Wow, this is very low, totally very low. Yes, 1% of Terra Classic supply has been destroyed within the period of 1 year and a half. So how can they achieve 8.5% in just less than 1 year? That's a possibility. And one of the possibilities is that Terra Classic developers should focus on the remaining supply. Now, remember, we have supply and we have circulating supply, right? Now, Terra Classic supply is about 6.3 trillion Terra Classic LUNC coins, and the supply is about 5.8 trillion, okay? Which means we have about 5 or 6 billion coins of Terra Classic as a remaining supply. Now, I think the developers need to focus more on this remaining supply. What do I mean? They should burn at least 80 to 90% of the remaining supply. Yes, they should send this to the dead wallet. They should just burn this out, okay? And they should just leave only the circulating supply, if it is possible, and they might just leave about 10 billion or 1 billion coins of Terra Classic as the remaining supply. And I believe with such movement, with such achievement, Terra Classic must have destroyed over 5% or 6%. Now, join this to the already burned Terra Classic coin, and of course, I believe that next year we are going to record more burning of Terra Classic than before, because we know Binance also are not giving up on Terra Classic. There will be more burning because next year cryptocurrency in general is going to be have a market force, a huge market force. A lot of people are going to invest more, and I see Terra Classic also doing well in the coming year. So I also see crypto industry doing well in 2024, more than what they did in 2023. Of course, 2023 is better than 2022. So let's keep on hoping to see that this actually do well before the end of the year. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and let's keep hoping for the best.